Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to our online teaching academy Ekaleva. Today we are going to do the problems in exercise 9 from the chapter decimals. Here see the first question. The price of a dozen bananas is rupees 75. Find the cost of 15 bananas. See the question. Cost of many bananas. A dozen bananas is given. From that we are going to find the cost of 15 bananas. Many to many, we have to use unitary method. First, from many we are going to find the cost of 1. After that we are going to find the cost of many. We are going to use unitary method. Okay. 1 dozen is equal to 12. So cost of 12 bananas is given. Cost of 12 bananas is equal to rupees 75. From this we are going to find the cost of 1 banana by division. Is equal to rupees 75 divided by 12. Now we are going to divide 75 by 12. In 75, how many times 12 is there? 6 times. 6 times 72. Now we have to subtract 5 minus 2, 3, 7 minus 7, 0. Now we are going to take the next number which is after the decimal point. So we have to keep the decimal point in quotient. Then we have to take the next number. In 30, how many times 12 is there? 2 times 24. Again we have to subtract 30 minus 24, 6. Now we have to take the next number 0. Here in 60, 5 times 60. We have to subtract 0. So we got 6.25. This is the cost of 1 banana. Is equal to rupees 6.25. Now from the cost of 1 banana, we have to find out the cost of 15 bananas by multiplication. Cost of 15 bananas is equal to rupees 6.25 into 15. By using multiplication, we are going to find out the cost of 15 bananas. Here 6.25 is a decimal number. While multiplying a decimal number, we have to consider as a whole number, isn't it? So I am going to multiply 625 into 15. 5 5s are 25. 5 here, 2 carry over. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 2 here, 1 carry over. 6 5s are 30. 30 plus 1, 31. Now we have to leave the ones place. While multiplying a number by 1, we will get the same number. 5, 1 into 2, 2, 1 into 6, 6. Now we have to add the numbers. Here 5, 5 plus 2, 7, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 6, 9. This is the product of 625 into 15. Now I am going to write the answer for the given question. 6.25 into 15 is equal to rupees. We got 9,375. In the given question, how many decimal places? 2 decimal places. So in answer also we need 2 decimal places. So from the last before 2 digits we have to keep the decimal point. So the answer is rupees 93.75. This is the cost of 15 bananas. Cost of 15 bananas is equal to rupees 93.75. Was it clear, children? See here, the price of 1 dozen banana is given. That is 1 dozen is equal to 12. From the cost of 12 bananas, we are finding the cost of one banana by using division, After that, we are finding the cost of 15 bananas by using multiplication. This method is called unitary method. Is it clear? The next one, the price of a box of 6 erasers. 6 erasers is given, that is rupees 27. How much do I have to pay for 5 eraser? From mini to mini again. Again we are going to use unitary method. From 6 erasers, first we have to find out the cost of 1 eraser. After that we have to find out the cost of 5 erasers by using multiplication. Okay. So cost of 6 erasers is given, that is rupees 27. From this we are going to find the cost of 1 eraser by using division, that is rupees 27 divided by 6. Now we are going to divide 27 by 6. In 27, 4 times 6, 6 4s are 24. Now we have to subtract 27 minus 24, we will get 3. Now we have to keep the decimal point in quotient and we can add 0 here. Now 5 times 6 5s are 30. 0. Okay. So the quotient is 4.5. So that is the cost of 1 eraser. While writing as money, we have to put 10, 4 rupees 50 pice. So this is the cost of 1 eraser. Now we are going to find the cost of 5 erasers by using multiplication. Is equal to rupees 4.50 into 5. Now we are going to multiply these two numbers, 4.50 and 5. Here 4.50 is a decimal number. So while multiplying we have to consider as a whole number, that is 450 into 5. Okay. Here 5 into 0, 0, 5 5s are 25, 5 here 2 carry over, 5 4s are 20, 20 plus 2, 22. Now we got 2250. Now I am going to write the answer for rupees 4.50 into 5. So here we got 2250. Here how many decimal places are there? 2 decimal places. So in answer also we need 2 decimal places. So from the last, before 2 digits we have to keep the decimal point. Now we got rupees 22.50, 22 rupees 50 pice. This is the cost of 5 erasers. Rupees 22.50. So I have to pay rupees 22.50 for 5 erasers. I have to pay rupees 22.50 for 5 erasers. Okay. See children, from the cost of 6 erasers, we are finding the cost of 1 eraser by using division. After that, we are finding the cost of 5 erasers by using multiplication. This is called unitary method. The next one, 25 mangoes weigh 4.5 kg. How much do a dozen mangoes weigh? Here weight of 25 mangoes are given. We have to find a dozen mangoes, weight of dozen mangoes. Dozen means 12. So first we have to find out the weight of 1 mango by using division. So weight of 25 mangoes is given. Is equal to 4.5 kg. From this we are going to find, weight of 25 mangoes. Okay. From this we are going to find the weight of 1 mango is equal to 4.5 kg divided by 25. Now we are going to divide 4.5 divided by 25. Now first we have to check the whole number part alone. Here we are having 4 in whole number part, which is less than the divisor. So we have to take both the digits together, but 5 is in the decimal part. So for the whole number part we have to put 0 and we have to keep the decimal point in quotient. Now we are going to take as 45. In 45 how many 25s are there? Only one time 25. Now we have to subtract it. 5 minus 5 0, 4 minus 2 2. Now after the decimal point we can add as many as zeros we need. So I am going to add 1 0 here. Now we got 200. In 200 how many 25s are there? 8 times. 8 25s are 200. Now we have to subtract 0. So this is the weight of one mango. Weight of one mango is equal to 0.18 kilogram. 0.18 kilogram. By using this, we are going to find the weight of 12 mangoes. That is, 1 dozen is equal to 12. So we are going to find out the weight of 12 mangoes by using multiplication. Is equal to weight of one mango, that is 0.18 kilogram into 12. Now we have to take 0.18 as a whole number, 18. 18 into 12. Here 2 18s are 36. Here 16, carry over 1. 1 into 2, 2, 2 plus 1, 3. Now we have to leave the ones place. While multiplying a number by 1, we will get the same number. Now we have to add. Here 6, 8 plus 3, 11. 1 here, 1 carry over. 1 plus 1, 2. Now we got 216. But the given question is 0.18 kilogram into 12. Now we got 216. Here how many decimal places? 2 decimal places are there. So in the answer also we need 2 decimal places. So from the last, before 2 digits we have to keep the decimal point. So the weight of 12 mangoes is 2.16 kilogram. Weight of a dozen. 12 means dozen. Weight of a dozen mangoes is equal to 2.16 kilogram. Okay, see, by division, listen first. From the weight of 25 mangoes, by using division we found the weight of one mango. After that, by using multiplication we found the weight of 12 mangoes. Is it clear, children? The next one, eggs are on sale. The cost of a box of 24 eggs. 24 eggs is rupees 127.20. What is the cost of 6 eggs? Here the cost of 24 eggs is given. From this we are going to find the cost of 6 eggs. First we have to find out the cost of 1 egg. Cost of 24 eggs is given. Rupees 127.20. Now we have to find the cost of 1 egg by division. 127.20 divided by 24. Let us divide the number 127.20 by 24. Here divisor is a 2-digit number. So we have to check the first 2 digits alone. The first 2 digit 12, which is less than the divisor. So we have to take the 3 digits together. 127. In 127, how many times 24 is there? 5 times 120. Now we have to subtract 7 minus 0, 7, 2 minus 2, 0, 1 minus 1, 0. Now we are going to take the next digit which is in the decimal part. So we have to keep the decimal point in quotient, then we have to take the next number. In 72, 3 times 24, that is 72. Now we have to subtract 0. Here we are having one more 0. For that we have to add 1 0 in quotient. So the cost of one egg is rupees 5.30. Cost of one egg is equal to rupees 5.30. From this we are going to find the cost of 6 eggs by using multiplication. Cost of 6 eggs is equal to rupees 5.30 into 6. Now we are going to multiply a decimal number and the whole number. So first we have to take the decimal number as a whole number. 530 into 6. 6 into 0, 0. 6 into 3, 18. 8 here, 1 carry over. 6 5s are 30. 30 plus 1, 31. Now I am going to write the answer for 5.30 into 6. We got 3180. Here how many decimal places? 2 decimal places. So in the answer also we need 2 decimal places. So from the last before 2 digits we have to keep the decimal point. So the answer is 31 rupees 80 pice. This is the cost of 6 eggs is equal to rupees 31.80, 31 rupees 80 pice. Now from the cost of 24 eggs we found the cost of 1 egg by using division. After that by using multiplication we found the cost of 6 eggs. By using unitary method we have to find the answer. Is it clear, children? Hope you all understand. To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button. You will receive the latest updates. Thank you, children.